This video covers official highlights from the OnePlus website for the OxygenOS 16 launch event happening on October 16th, 2025. All content and visuals are credited to OnePlus India and the official OxygenOS 16 page. OxygenOS 16, intelligently yours. Get ready for a smoother, smarter experience. Whether it's 3 hours of reels, rapid app switching, or intense gaming, OxygenOS 16 stays unstoppable. Your life moves fast, and now OxygenOS 16 moves even faster. Smooth ahead, every swipe flows like silk. With OnePlus Flow Motion, opening and closing apps feels silky smooth and natural. Parallel processing now extends beyond your home screen, bringing next-level multitasking. Zero-lag multitasking. 3 hours of non-stop Instagram reels, zero slowdown. 1 hour of gaming while multitasking, still zero lag. Seamless app, switching on the OnePlus Pad. 3. Performance that doesn't quit, no matter how hard you push it. Connectivity made smooth. OxygenOS 16 brings effortless cross-device sharing and control. Share instantly with Mac and Windows PCs using O+ Connect. Drag and drop files, mirror your screen, and control devices remotely, with zero friction. Connect seamlessly with your iPhone, OnePlus Pad, and other OnePlus phones. Your entire ecosystem now truly connected. Learn more. For complete details, technical specs, and availability, visit the official OnePlus community or the OxygenOS 16 launch page. All features and claims are based on OnePlus test laboratory results, and actual performance may vary by model or region. That's all for the OxygenOS 16 highlights. Smooth, fast, and smarter than ever. What's your favorite new feature? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Credits, official information, and visuals, courtesy of OnePlus India. OxygenOS 16 launch page.